Hello, my name is Jennifer Green, and this is my internship project for EDET 650, Microsoft Access and Database Management. The reason I chose this particular project is that we use a lot of data in my current place of employment, and that data is scattered right now. My project might be doing one thing, and there might be a project going on with someone else in the building, and instead of collaborating and being more efficient, we're just shuffling the same data back and forth. So my purpose for doing this particular project was to create a database where all of our data could be housed and everyone could share what everyone else had. Now, in order to create a database, and specifically I'm going to do a Microsoft Access database for my group, I thought it important to share some simple techniques and background information on databases in general so that they could understand better what was going to happen when we went to Microsoft Access. A lot of people are intimidated by Microsoft Access. It is a huge program and there's a lot of integral parts to it. But once you get database management down, at least a preliminary understanding of it, it becomes much easier to use. And as long as you don't try to do too many interactive parts in Access, it's a really great program to use for your data. In order to decide what was best for my group, I used the Addy approach to first analyze, then design, develop, implement, and evaluate my particular program. Although my project is not completed, I have done quite a bit of analysis with my group and found that we all shared certain data together that would be helpful for everyone to be able to see. Data such as graduation rates, truancy rates, attendance, behavior, and a lot of other data that is related to the students that we serve. The design for my particular project is going to be pretty simple. I want people to be able to go in, put in the most pertinent data that they have, and then cross-check it with other programs in my particular office. This would allow us to look at trends in student behavior, attendance, attitudes, and participation in programs. In developing the database and the accompanying online course for the database, I decided to look at the fact that a lot of the people in my office are constantly on the road. And we have a little bit of time in the office, but a lot of our work gets done at home. So for us, an online course with different modules made much more sense than trying to sit down and teach over a week's time. The course will be implemented over a couple of weeks, and hopefully I'll get good feedback from it and we can make some changes to the course to make it easy and usable for everyone in the office. Hopefully I'll get a lot of positive feedback on my evaluation. That's why I have my yes. Some concluding thoughts are that this process has been a lot more time consuming than I thought it would be. And my being as hectic as it is, it's been really hard to get some time together to put the course together as I like it. But I'm working through it, and my boss has been really helpful and giving me time to do it. So hopefully you'll take a look at my materials and see the great job that I'm doing.